Have you ever wondered which tomato varieties are best for your organic garden? The world of tomatoes is vast and diverse, with countless varieties to choose from. But not all tomatoes are created equal, especially when it comes to organic gardening. The right variety can make the difference between a bountiful harvest and a disappointing one. When choosing tomato varieties for your organic garden, several factors come into play: taste, size, growth habits, and resistance to diseases. Some tomatoes are sweet and juicy, perfect for fresh salads, while others are robust and tangy, ideal for sauces and stews. The size of the tomato can influence how you use it in your kitchen, and the plant's growth habits can determine how much space you'll need in your garden. And let's not forget about disease resistance, a critical factor in organic gardening where chemical pesticides are not an option. Today, join us as we explore the top 5 tomato varieties for your organic garden. First on the list is the Brandywine tomato, a popular choice for many organic gardeners. With its large size and sweet taste, it's no wonder why this variety has become a beloved staple in many gardens. The Brandywine tomato is renowned for its unique characteristics. Perhaps the most notable is its size. These tomatoes are often quite large, with some even reaching a pound or more in weight. Their size makes them perfect for slicing and serving fresh in salads or sandwiches. In terms of taste, the Brandywine tomato truly shines. It boasts a sweet, full-bodied flavor that is often described as classic tomato. It's this taste that has earned the Brandywine its reputation as one of the best-tasting tomatoes available. When you bite into a ripe Brandywine, you're treated to a rich, juicy explosion of flavor that is both sweet and slightly acidic. Another interesting characteristic of the Brandywine tomato is its growth habit. This variety is indeterminate, meaning it will continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the growing season until the first frost. This makes it a fantastic choice for gardeners looking for a steady supply of fresh tomatoes. Now let's delve into a bit of history. The Brandywine tomato is an heirloom variety, tracing its roots back to the 19th century. Despite being over a century old, it wasn't until the late 20th century that this variety gained widespread popularity. Today, it's loved by organic gardeners and tomato enthusiasts alike for its exceptional flavor and reliable growth. The Brandywine tomato is also quite versatile. It's as delicious eaten raw as it is cooked, making it a great addition to any dish that calls for tomatoes. Its large size and meaty texture make it an excellent choice for sauces, soups, and stews as well. In summary, the Brandywine tomato is a large, flavorful variety with a sweet, full-bodied taste and an indeterminate growth habit. Its rich history and versatility make it a favorite among many. If you're after a tomato with a sweet, full-bodied flavor, the Brandywine tomato could be your perfect match. Next up is the cherry tomato, a small but mighty variety that packs a huge punch in flavor. The cherry tomato, often no bigger than a grape, is a delightful addition to any organic garden. Its petite size is deceptive, as this variety is known for its ability to produce a bountiful harvest, much to the delight of gardeners. The cherry tomato is a versatile fruit, finding its way into a wide array of dishes. Its sweet and tangy flavor makes it a favorite among many. One might argue that it's the sweetness that sets the cherry tomato apart from other varieties. It's this distinct sweetness that makes it a star ingredient in salads, pasta dishes, or simply enjoyed on its own as a delicious snack. Growing cherry tomatoes is quite the experience. It's an indeterminate type of tomato plant, which means it will continue to grow and produce fruit until it's killed by frost. It's a prolific grower, often surprising first-time gardeners with the sheer volume of tomatoes it can yield. This feature makes it a popular choice for those who enjoy a steady supply of fresh tomatoes throughout the growing season. Another fantastic thing about cherry tomatoes is their resilience. They're known to withstand varying growing conditions, making them a reliable choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Whether you're growing them in a pot on your balcony or in a sprawling garden, cherry tomatoes are likely to thrive and reward you with a plentiful harvest. But it's not just about the taste and the growth. Cherry tomatoes are packed with nutritional benefits too. They're rich in vitamins A and C and full of antioxidants, making them a healthy choice for your organic garden. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the cherry tomato is a variety worth considering. Its sweet taste, coupled with its prolific growth and resilience, makes it a rewarding addition to any organic garden. For those who prefer bite-sized tomatoes that are easy to grow and yield plenty, the cherry tomato is a great option. Coming in at number 3 is the Roma tomato, famously known for its use in tomato paste and sauces. This tomato, with its signature elongated shape, is a staple in many gardens and kitchens around the world. The Roma tomato is a plum tomato, which means it's a bit more oblong than round. It's this distinct shape that makes it easily recognizable. But it's not just its shape that sets it apart. Let's delve a little deeper into the characteristics of this unique variety. Inside that firm, smooth skin, you'll find a meaty texture that's just bursting with flavor. This texture is due to the low water content of the Roma tomato, which makes it perfect for creating thick, rich sauces and pastes that will add a gourmet touch to your dishes. It's also less juicy than other varieties, which means it's less likely to make your sandwiches soggy. Now let's talk about its growth habits. The Roma tomato is a determinate variety, which means it grows to a certain height, usually about 3 to 4 feet, and then stops. This makes it an excellent choice for gardeners with limited space. And don't worry about the plant getting too tall and toppling over. It's compact and sturdy, able to support the weight of its own fruit. What's more, the Roma tomato is resistant to many common tomato diseases, which makes it a great choice for organic gardeners who prefer not to use chemical pesticides. This hardy variety performs exceptionally well in warmer climates, but it can also adapt to a wide range of growing conditions, making it a versatile addition to any garden. So whether you're a beginner gardener looking for an easy-to-grow variety, or an experienced green thumb seeking to add a new variety to your garden, the Roma tomato is a great choice. If you're interested in making your own sauces or pastes, the Roma tomato is a must-have in your garden. Fourth on the list is the beefsteak tomato, renowned for its hefty size and juicy flavor. This tomato variety is a showstopper, and it's easy to see why. The beefsteak tomatoes are like the titans of the tomato world. They are large, often weighing 1 pound or more. Their size is not their only impressive feature. These tomatoes are also known for their incredibly juicy texture, providing a burst of flavor with every bite. The beefsteak tomato is an indeterminate variety, which means it will continue to grow and produce fruit until killed by frost. This growth habit makes it a favorite among gardeners who enjoy a continuous harvest throughout the growing season. It's a plant that keeps on giving, and with proper care, you can expect a bountiful yield. Now let's talk about taste. Beefsteak tomatoes are not just big, they are big on flavor too. They have a rich, sweet, and slightly acidic taste that makes them perfect for a variety of dishes. Because of their large size, beefsteak tomatoes are often used in sandwiches and salads. Imagine sinking your teeth into a sandwich with a slice of beefsteak tomato that covers the entire bread slice. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? And in salads, their juicy flesh adds a refreshing touch, while their vibrant red color brings a pop of color to your plate. But it's not just about the taste and the size. Beefsteak tomatoes are also packed with nutrients. They are rich in vitamins A and C, potassium, and the antioxidant lycopene. So not only are they tasty, but they are good for your health too. In summary, the beefsteak tomato variety is a standout among tomato varieties. Its large size, juicy texture, and rich flavor make it a favorite for many gardeners and cooks. If you're looking for a tomato variety that will give you a substantial harvest, provide a burst of flavor in your dishes, and add a vibrant touch to your garden, the beefsteak tomato is the one for you. For gardeners who love hefty, juicy tomatoes, the beefsteak variety is an excellent choice. Last but not least is the green zebra tomato, a variety that stands out for its unique green and yellow stripes. This tomato is a feast for the eyes, with its bright, zesty colors that bring a touch of the exotic to your organic garden. The green zebra tomato is medium in size, typically growing to about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. It's the perfect size for slicing onto a sandwich, dicing into a salad, or simply enjoying on its own. But it's not just the size that makes the green zebra tomato a standout. This variety is also known for its incredible flavor. The taste of the green zebra tomato is something truly special. It's tangy yet sweet, with a rich, complex flavor that's unlike any other. Some describe it as zesty, others as zingy, but all agree that it's absolutely delicious. This unique taste has made the green zebra a favorite among gourmet chefs, who appreciate its ability to add a burst of flavor to any dish. But the green zebra tomato's appeal extends beyond its taste and appearance. This variety is also highly resistant to common tomato diseases, making it a robust and reliable choice for your organic garden. It's a hardy plant that can withstand the challenges of outdoor growing, and it's known for its plentiful yields. The green zebra tomato is a variety that's as practical as it is pretty. It's a tomato that's designed to thrive, offering gardeners a reliable crop that's resistant to disease and bursting with flavor. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice, the green zebra tomato is a variety that's worth considering. So if you're looking for a tomato that's as visually striking as it is delicious, the green zebra tomato should be at the top of your list. This is a variety that truly stands out, with its vibrant colors, robust flavor, and hardy nature. If you're after a tomato that's as visually striking as it is flavorful, the green zebra tomato is the one for you. Choosing the right tomato variety for your organic garden can make all the difference in your gardening experience. Today, we've journeyed through the rich and versatile world of tomatoes, handpicking 5 standout varieties. The Brandywine with its classic, old-world charm and full-bodied flavor. The cherry tomato, a versatile little gem that's as delightful in a salad as it is on a vine. The Roma, the go-to choice for sauces and canning, with its fewer seeds and robust taste. The beefsteak, large and in charge, perfect for those juicy tomato slices in your sandwiches. And lastly, the green zebra, a vibrant and tangy variety that brings a unique twist to your garden and your plate. I encourage you to experiment with these varieties. See which ones resonate with your taste buds and your green thumbs. Remember, the best tomato for your garden is the one that you enjoy growing and eating the most. Happy gardening!